You throw money, they'll give you a certificate. Now we come to the second level of they are fooling students. Certificate होगा तभी internship मिलेगा. IIT coaching में डालना and all that.
It's a scam. Firstly, it's a scam. Byju's that whole model was gimmicky. Visualization, tabs. Anyone can do it, but they did it the best. That's why they got into 11,000 crore. Right, hey everyone, welcome back. Sorry if I'm shouting, mic थोड़े आसपास हैं हमारे. But welcome back to the 38th episode of the Double Bond podcast. हमें पता नहीं guys, सब्सक्राइब कर दो नीचे जाके. But today the new topic which we have, जो हमने पिछले 2-3 podcast episodes से हमारा थोड़ा क्या बोल सकते हैं, थोड़ा डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रहे हैं. देयर इज नो फन बिट्स.
ओके,
तो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट वी ब्रिंग इन द फन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी कॉल द वीडियो, बट इज एजुकेशन एवरीथिंग? एंड द जनरलाइज्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एन इंडियन स्टूडेंट. एपिसोड 2, which if you haven't watched it already, ऊपर है जाके देख लो. We kind of sort of talked about this with a bit of हमारा touch.
Was it our episode 2?
It was our episode 2. The second one which we sat outside. We sat and we talked about how JEE is ruining careers more than building them. But
we are doing the 2025 version.
20 maybe पिछले साल या पिछले 2-3 साल से जेई स्कैम्स हो रहे हैं. जो नीट का स्कैम हुआ था पिछले साल और जेई का भी हुआ था. दैट सेम पर्सन फ्रॉम 3 different कोचिंग क्लासेस हैड rank 1 एंड दैट सेम पर्सन हैड rank 11 also, it seems. कैसे, किसको पता?
I mean, fucked up. Anything can happen in India.
But do you really think education is everything when our parents see?
For me personally, I was mature enough to tell my parents when I was in my
8th or 9th
class itself कि पढ़ाई से कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
करेक्ट. बट उतने गट्स नहीं होने वाले लोग बर्बाद होते जा रहे हैं. जिनके पास पैशन थे पहले 6th 7th, you used to go maybe Rubik's Cube, maybe developing some game, I don't know, your wish. But those kind of people, they're sort of getting ruined by this constant nudging of aunties around the apartment कि तुम्हारे बेटे को CSC बोला, कितने का पैकेज. मेरी cousin की मम्मी आई थी कल and she was telling me the story. The kid is in 10th and when they got to know that my cousin got into a good college and they were like they came to her house. They said what is the highest package out of that college for the current year? Bro, your kid is in 10th grade. Do you understand? 10th grade में तुम्हें क्या पड़ी है पैकेज की? 6 साल है तुम्हारे बच्चे का डिग्री आने में. इंजीनियरिंग की तो इंजीनियरिंग. Why are you worried about packages? Why are you worried about how much he's going to earn or she's going to earn? Is career so necessary?
I feel like these colleges are a scam.
They are, of course they are.
मतलब like देख, ठीक है,
वैसे देखा जाए तो पूरी country is a scam, but maybe for some other day. But
I mean like देख, ठीक है,
colleges don't have to pay taxes.
I didn't know that.
Exactly. Everything is tax free for them. And
No wonder it's the best business.
हम 3 लाख भर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कॉलेज को.
मेरा कॉलेज is 4.5 by the way.
हर साल. And people, हम तो छोड़, we are at least at some level of merit. लोग तो 20-25 लाख दे देते हैं बच्चे को कि ले कर ले. 20-25 lakh for a 3 years course in law. Okay, you might get it back one day at like the interest rate also, but law में तुम लोग 27 लाख के पैकेज मतलब ये कर रहे हो. What do you call it? Donation. Why?
I mean like देख, ठीक है, the previous generation of our parents, they were so involved in making money, earning so much that I feel like they think पैसा आप देखोगे तभी काम होगा. If you throw money, your work will get done.
In a way, yeah.
Cause like,
not our parents though.
Cause like देख ठीक है, my friend recently वो complain कर रही थी कि like you know basically kind of an animal story कि पापा टाइम नहीं दिए, he was working in building an empire, ठीक है, उसको टाइम नहीं मिला अपने पापा से, तो they grew distant over a while.
Correct.
ठीक है. And we had a debate kind of कि like हाँ हमारे parents they have come up from a zero to whatever they are now. So they got so indulged in making money that they couldn't give us time, and they started thinking that they have come into this line where if you throw money, the work will get done. So all you have to focus is on making money. So the colleges started to take an advantage of it. Basically every educational field, be it Udemy also, has started to take advantage of this thing. Because like obviously you know, you throw money, they'll give you a certificate. Now we come to the second level of thing. They are fooling students कि सर्टिफिकेट होगा तभी इंटर्नशिप मिलेगा. Because प्रूफ ही क्या हो सकता है, ठीक है. नाउ दैट इज हाउ दिस कोर्सेस वर्क. यू गेट सर्टिफिकेट, NPTEL, Udemy, Coursera, एवरीथिंग. सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, यू आर थिंकिंग ओके इंटर्नशिप मिल जाएगा. नाउ हाउ जॉब्स वर्क. अगर इंटर्नशिप किया तभी जॉब मिलेगा.
बट द थिंग इज पेरेंट्स who shouldn't be thinking, again that is coming to how parents are changing compared to our parents and compared to our parents and compared to the parents of 2025 Gen Beta के parents. Firstly, what the fuck?
Okay.
Gen Beta आ गया. But parents are more indulgent nowadays is a problem in education.
Okay.
क्योंकि हमारे पापा मम्मी जब I don't know 17 times तू नहीं बता पाते थे, teacher used to come beat them up, next day they'll know. Would you ask me कि 19 into 3 कितना होता है and I'll tell it out of like the tip of, no, of course not. Because parents starting indulging more after 2000s, let's say, that became the reason why now in the current situation computers are hyped up, and that is also the reason why education is getting the undeserved hype in my opinion. क्योंकि मेरे दादा दादी को पढ़ी नहीं थी, मेरे पापा पढ़ रहे हैं या नहीं, स्कूल जा रहे हैं बस, that's it. One, they didn't have that much education to know what is going on in his school. Our parents are educated, and now the current generation के parents are even more educated. So those parents want to know कि बच्चे का क्या चल रहा है, and in that process I'd say 8 से चालू हो जाता है कि IIT ढूंढना चालू करो, you know, कोटा जाना, देखना क्या होता है कोटा में सुसाइड्स के अलावा. But you know, that is one of my main reasons I think. Why would you care? It's बच्चे की पढ़ाई है. मेरे पापा को तो पता भी नहीं मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ या स्कूल.
नहीं, अभी पता.
होलिस्टिकली देखा जाए तो मैं जब 12th में था तब पापा ने बोला हिंदी के एग्जाम कैसी गई.
12th में हिंदी नहीं होती ना.
Exactly. Why would you care? Our parents didn't care, so we are a bit lazy, we are a bit nonchalant. That all comes into perspective. तुम अगर तेरा बच्चा होता है, you control everything. Social media हो गया, education हो गया, friends हो गए, तो रोबोट बना रहे हो तुम घर पे, हैं? रोबोट तो नहीं बना रहे ना. बच्चा पैदा कर रहे हो, बच्चे को बढ़ा रहे हो. You are not making a robot to do a perform a task or whatever. It's a kid. Let him grow by its own pace, and career is the place where you're sending him to. Then let him do it at his own pace. क्यों तुम्हें 7th में आके यार ये क्या बोलते हैं IIT कोचिंग ज्वाइन करनी थी बच्चे. मैं खुद 11th ग्रेड में ज्वाइन किया हूँ IIT कोचिंग. क्या फायदा पड़ा?
I mean, like, देख, personally if I feel like, you know, ये IIT कोचिंग में डालना and all that, देख, ठीक है.
It's a scam. Firstly, it's a scam. We all know it's a scam.
And second, ठीक है, अगर बच्चे को पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट है वो खुद आके पूछेगा.
Exactly.
I देख, ठीक है, there are 3 different type of students. ठीक है, 4 रखते हैं, ठीक है.
5वां भी आ जाएगा.
First, ठीक है, जो बंदा एक्चुअल में पढ़ता है, इंटरेस्ट है, रिसर्च करता है, तो वो खुद अपनी लाइफ का पार्ट डिसाइड करेगा. सेकंड,
एंड दिस इज नॉट इन द लाइक टीचर का चाटना एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस टर्म्स. प्रॉपर टर्म्स. यस,
जस्ट सोली बेस्ड ऑन इंटरेस्ट.
करेक्ट,
ठीक है. सेकंड टाइप आता है वो जो पढ़ सकता है बट वर्ल्ड नॉलेज नहीं है, रिसर्च नहीं करता. somebody has to guide
street knowledge you mean?
Yeah, no, somebody has to guide him type of
okay. हाँ, right.
मतलब पढ़ने को बोलेगा पढ़ लेगा, बट गाइडेंस चाहिए थोड़ी सी करियर पाथ के लिए. थर्ड टाइप आता है जो पढ़ सकता है लेकिन पढ़ता नहीं है. ठीक है. फोर्थ टाइप ये होता है
स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट.
या स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट,
बनिएगा बेटा,
वही
पैसे है मुझे नहीं पढ़ना, क्या करोगे तुम? मेरा बाप खरीद सकता है, स्कूल में आप खरीदते.
दैट इज अ फोर्थ टाइप. ठीक है. फर्स्ट टाइप वाले को टारगेट कोई नहीं करता, वो अपना पाथ देख के उसको पता है कि क्या सच है क्या गलत है, वो वही चला जाएगा. सेकेंड टाइप जिसको गाइडेंस चाहिए. ठीक है. और पेरेंट्स तो देख, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु जॉइन देयर चिल्ड्रन into these IIT coaching, जो typical जो मतलब
Akash,
all of that, they're probably not or mostly not from IITs.
Correct. They're not aware of what happens.
Yeah, they're not aware of what particularly happens there unless the marketing strategy of that particular coaching center tells them or what they hear from other parents.
तुम्हारा बच्चा 90% स्कोर करेगा.
Exactly.
मेरा बच्चा 60% स्कोर करता है, लगा दो.
Exactly, वही हुआ. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई पेरेंट्स आर नॉट फ्रॉम CSE बैकग्राउंड और इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड. ठीक है. एंड दे वर टोल्ड इफ यू गो इनटू श्री चैतन्य कॉलेज आपका बच्चा IIT क्रैक करके ही आएगा. आई स्टडी इन SRM राइट नाउ गाइस. ठीक है. So yeah, it is not always how it goes. This is most of the IIT coaching centers focus on this second type of students. जिनको
second or third भी. Third is you're just unfortunate.
Yeah,
कि तुम्हारे पापा मम्मी ने बोला कि जाओ पढ़ना है तो they like get into it. Fourth type तो वो तो मतलब उनका they'll go into some CBSE school. They'll be like कि नहीं यार पढ़ाई नहीं होती, बनिएगा बेटा हूँ, गल्ला ही संभालना है, छोड़ दो.
तो हाँ, the people who exist the most are in these two categories because like देख, smart people are not everywhere.
Correct.
ठीक है. तो there are very less amount of smart people and that is common in almost every part of the world. ठीक है. So what is politics? Focus on the fools. What is business? Also focus on the fools. ठीक है.
Focus on the okay.
And that is what these people do. And I'm telling you something. As the time passes by, you will come to a level of so much foolishness that you will start to see that these are just a scam. Like how Byju's fell down.
We realized
that ये तो बस स्कैम कर रहे थे, इनका पास तो कुछ था ही नहीं पहले से.
नहीं था.
मतलब what I'm trying to say is their business model was correct, but implementation was wrong.
The place, when you, okay, this is completely off tangent, but when you see a nothing phone, you know it's a gimmick.
Okay.
तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें लाइट की क्या जरूरत पड़ेगी पीछे, अगर you have a screen in front of you, why would you have a slab fixed on सामने screen, पीछे light? Why when are you going to use it? Ever? people still buy it. Byju's, that whole model was gimmicky. Visualization, tabs. Anyone can do it, but they did it the best. That's why they got into 11,000 crores. But again, scams are scams. It's not like just Byju's, Akash, Alan, everyone does it. ठीक है. The thing is, parents' involvement बढ़ती जा रही है, और that is an issue. कि I don't think the level at which my parents were lenient, any of our generation, जब हमारी generation के बच्चे हो जाएंगे, I don't think any of them are going to be lenient with their child. Because we are educating ourselves constantly, and internet तो है ही, तो उससे भी ज़्यादा boom of knowledge हमें मिल रहा है compared to our parents. And in that sense, I don't think we'll have leniency by the, I don't know, 2050.
I mean, like, देख, ठीक है. The point is, if you ask me, ठीक है, the point is education important है या नहीं. I feel like
I wouldn't say so.
Yeah, I feel like, you know,
in the real life, no.
I feel like if
LPA, GPA, all of those terms, maybe yes. But कब तक? You're not going to be 40 and people are going to ask you, like, तुम्हें first salary कितने की मिली थी? Of course, you would tell as a कि growth progression कितना हुआ है तुम्हारे life में. But nobody would come and ask you कि तेरा GPA क्या था second year के end में. 2 साल में we ourselves will forget about our GPA. 10th, 12th, biggest examples. Who the fuck is asking if I got 95 in 10th or 17, 12th?
They are just for like pass किया, ठीक.
It is more a validation, social validation जो मिलती है 10th और 12th के बाद, and that I think is changing. पता नहीं new education policy and what not.
I mean, like, देख, ठीक है. I feel like our generation will be the last generation to actually focus on JEEs and NEETs.
Do you think so?
Yes, because like, for example, next generation, हम मम्मी पापा बन गए. If my son would come and ask me, पापा JEE देना या NEET देना, I was like,
नहीं बोलेगा तू.
नहीं, मेरे बच्चे को तो मैं पहले NEET तो पढ़ाऊंगा नहीं. I'll disown him if he wants to do biology, doctor and all that, unless and until he studies good.
Save this.
ठीक है.
Till राजविक का, I mean, sorry, सिग्मा का बच्चा आ जाए. Save this till Sigma's बच्चा comes out.
कैसे देख, for me investment, kid is an investment. ठीक है. समझ ले, kid is an investment. Unless and until I'm crazy fucking, even if I'm crazy fucking rich, if I don't see the potential in him to do, you know, doctors, biology, NEET, ये सब, I wouldn't send him because that's a very sensitive field again. You're putting lives in danger. I wouldn't send him.
Of course, makes sense.
ठीक है. करना पड़ता है guys, बैन कर देंगे. तो हाँ.
गर्ल ऑडियंस का तो छोड़, गर्लफ्रेंड बैन कर देगी तुझे. But generally इस point of view से क्या लगता है तुझे as an Indian student, if you had the opportunity to go study elsewhere, would you have chosen it, or do you think what we've got through ourselves in the past 10-15 years is right?
If I wouldn't say anything because like देख, in the last 10 to 15 years, personally, I had one of the best experiences of my life. Kind of became street smart, I would say. Once I was in my 11th and 12th hostel.
Correct.
ठीक है. Experiences are experiences, and I think the more harsh you have it, the better you're ready in the future.
Okay.
So I would still choose this only. And I feel like हमारा education system भी वही चाहता है. पीटो, इतना पीटो कि भैंचो education खत्म होने के बाद तो you can face anything in life.
हाँ, बट अब बंद हो गया ना पीटना.
हाँ.
अब पेरेंट्स आ जाते हैं.
नहीं, not literal पीटना.
Okay.
I'm talking about how the education system defeats
मराना,
you from inside.
मराना.
हाँ.
पीटना नहीं, मराना.
हाँ, something, yeah,
हाँ.
same thing. तो भाई, so if my son would come in the future and ask me कि पापा मुझे interest है JEE करना, like sure, give it a try. बट अगर मेरा बेटा बोलता है
छिछोरे,
हाँ अगर मेरा बेटा या बेटी बोलता है पापा मुझसे जेई ये सब नहीं होगा, मुझे बस नॉर्मल मत कर, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज व्हाट आवर पेरेंट्स वुड से और एग्री विथ. माय पेरेंट्स डिड नॉट.
दे सेड फॉर मी, दे सेड तुझे हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा छोड़ दे. बिकॉज़ See, after a point
बोलते हैं ठीक है, हाँ every single parent tells that, but हमें पता है ना, we also care about what our parents want, तो हमें भी pressure होता है अंदर से.
In a Indian student, in an Indian student, the amount of pressure situations he has handled is more than any pressure cooker in my opinion.
Okay.
Because भाई अगले हफ्ते एग्जाम है, उसके बाद एक दिन में एग्जाम है, कैसे करेगा? एक तो बुक्स की तो बात ही छोड़ दो, ठीक है, इवन इफ वी आर यूजिंग डिजिटल कॉपीज, द सिलेबस इज सो ह्यूज, सो वास्ट, वो कहाँ यूज होता है कहाँ नहीं हमें कुछ पता नहीं होता. वी डोंट नो इफ वी आर गोइंग टू इवन चूज द स्ट्रीम. लोग CS पढ़ते हैं 10th में, बायो चूज करते हैं 11th में, 12th आते आते इंजीनियरिंग में आ जाते हैं. You see the graph.
Yeah.
From CS as your 6th subject or AI or whatever, you choose bio, and then you go back to CS or engineering. What is the point?
I mean like देख ठीक है, if there is any education system in this world in most prominent countries which is still developing, that is probably only our country. Because I'll tell you something.
Okay.
China's education system, Japanese education system, ठीक है, very they are not like
disciplined.
Yeah, they don't try to create a divide. For example, we have JEE, civil service exams, everything established, and a set of colleges which only serve the most qualified people who have qualified in these exams. Rest all भाड़ में जाए, कचरे में पड़ा रहे, ड्रेनेज में मर जाए, nobody cares, ठीक है. But China's education system is not like that. Everybody has a centralized system. There is no exam कि इसके ऊपर के लिए ये जाएगा, नहीं क्वालिफाई हो तो गटर में मरेगा.
Communism.
Yeah, there's nothing like that there. अगर है भी, they're trained well since the childhood. It is in their system.
Do you think it is better that we get that in India?
It is very much better. Because like देख ठीक है, in what is our rank in GDP over the world?
5th आया था अभी.
हाँ, we are the 5th biggest GDP in the world, and these people are still changing the most basic courses in CBSE from 5th class to 10th class.
वो तो है.
That is the condition of our education system in India.
भाई एजुकेशन सिस्टम छोड़, मैं कल लैब में गया था.
हाँ.
मेरा लैब वाला जो असिस्टेंट है वो आके पूछता है कि तूने उस 2 टीचर के ऑप्शंस थे, 2 फैकल्टीज के ऑप्शंस थे. मेरा लैब का असिस्टेंट आके पूछता है तूने दूसरी फैकल्टी क्यों नहीं चूज की. दैट्स द करंट सिचुएशन. हाँ कि स्टूडेंट्स में प्रॉब्लम है, हाँ कि देयर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट दे आर इन्वॉल्विंग देयरसेल्व्स टू मच इन स्टडीज, बट डू यू थिंक टीचर्स आल्सो आर टू ब्लेम इन इंडिया? in colleges especially, schools, yes there is a level of कि नहीं तूने पढ़ना ही है, ये sin theta by cos theta तुझे पता ही होना चाहिए, मैं तुझे मार के सिखाऊंगा ये, बट मैं तुझे सिखा के रहूंगा. बट इन कॉलेजेस इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. तुझे पढ़ना है पढ़, नहीं पढ़ना है मत पढ़. ओके मे बी यू आर ओल्ड इनफ इन कॉलेज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू नीड टू स्टडी, बट देन अगेन not teaching the subject properly. Really, you're getting all the fees, we are paying all the fees, they're getting all their money, or what do you call it, salaries.
As of now don't really know, because like देख as of now मेरे lecturers जो कुछ भी आए मेरे लिए for my course, luckily I've never gotten any such laid back lazy lecturers. सब actually insist us to study, ठीक है, पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, ठीक है. मेरा DSA DA का सर तो हमेशा मेरे पीछे पड़ा रहता है कि तू पढ़ करके. I'm lucky in that case, I would say, ठीक है. But the thing I'm trying to like say or convey is कि our country, not our country, I feel like humans overall, be it in any sector, you know, do things which don't make sense. For example, you have to make Maggie. ठीक है, you have a Maggie at home, but you feel like, you know, you want to eat more. ठीक है, so you get another packet of Maggie and you make it, but you end up only eating one packet worth of the 2 packets. But if you had realized and focused on only focusing on a certain quantity, I think you would have been perfect. So that is what I'm trying to say. Keep people
quality over,
quality over quantity. ठीक है, and for example, for example, if I had to take a how should I say an example, you know, cutting and bulking, right? The whole education system of ours is running on a cutting mechanism. They included bullshit in our parents' time, including our time. But slowly as the time is passing by, you see the syllabus is changing. You see the marking scheme getting better, focusing more on MCQs rather than 16 markers, 10 markers, which didn't ever make sense. कि like भाई वहाँ matter 5 mark का, you are telling us to write 20 points और minimum 3 pages, क्या लिखे? We are literally writing bullshit and coming. When there's a point of saturation, you're understanding and you're cutting it off. I think it'll take many years, maybe like 5-10 years from now, to actually education in India to come to, you know, proper fixed method, जो शायद उसके बाद कभी change ना हो. So I feel like probably 5 to 10 years from now, I feel like education is not as much important. Because like देख, we are 5th biggest GDP in the country. थोड़ी ना education से पूरा country चल रहा है. बाकी के बहुत सारे fields हैं. तुझे जो interest है वो देख.
Agriculture is one of them.
Yeah.
Biggest.
Yeah. And देख, I feel like, you know, once again, problem ये बस इंडिया में लाई करता है. क्योंकि इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए स्टेटस क्या होती है? डिग्री. इसके बच्चे को
मिलती है पढ़ाई से.
भाई
तो it's a whole closed loop.
It's a whole shit circle if you ask me. Because शर्मा का बेटा IIT क्रैक किया, गूगल में जॉब लाया. ये बंदा अभी SRM में पढ़ रहा है. SRM पहला आगे तो बोल रहा हूँ. SRM में पढ़ रहा है. For example, this guy. For example, the highest package in SRM till now is, I guess, 1.3 crores in Amazon. ठीक है. For example, उसी बंदे का ये सोच ले, ठीक है, parents या you know relatives या around his circle.
I might know them, but continue.
No, not here.
Okay.
वो आंध्रा SRM AP है वो, जिसने क्रैक किया था. ठीक है. जब SRM काटन कलोतर माई ब्रांच कई you know लोग उतने ये bad reviews देते हैं, because like talk चलता है. I still don't know why that bad talk is there. ठीक है, but ऐसा talk चलता है SRM का जैसे कोई crime spot है. I don't feel that. ठीक है. और तू सोच ले SRM AP non-existent. ठीक है, वहाँ का बंदा पढ़ रहा है, उसके दोस्त, उसके पापा के दोस्त का बेटा समझ ले IIT कर रहा है. ठीक है, उसके पापा का दोस्त का बेटा क्या है, वो फिनिश करेगा until he cracks a job or he does not crack a job, वो फिर भी IIT में पढ़ता है. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है ज़िंदगी में. ये बंदा SRM AP में पढ़ता है, ये क्या ही करेगा ज़िंदगी में. But look, he ended up cracking 1.3 crores in SRM AP and शायद so many people in IIT still fail. Because like there is a type of students, they work their ass off till IIT में जाके fail. Nobody focuses on them. ठीक है. They only focus on the person who is going up. But at the same time, the difference पता कहाँ आता है? I want to use that सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी का, जहाँ आपके सपने खत्म होते हैं वहाँ हमारे शुरू होते हैं. ठीक है. सिमिलरली जहाँ IIT में ये लोग पहुँचते हैं वहाँ से हमारा जर्नी शुरू होता है. To get to the job. Correct. That is where this Indian education system is faltering in 2025 and maybe will falter in the coming 5 to 10 years.
I mean, see, as per what I see is it is only up and forward from now on.
Yes, that's what.
Because the level or at which India was illiterate back in say 19th सेंचुरी में जितना 20th सेंचुरी में जितना इलिटरेसी रेट था वो अब कम हो चुका है. हाँ, लिटरेसी रेट हैज इंक्रीज. So at one point इंडिया, अब पता नहीं पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज डिक्रीज वो सब एक्सक्लूडिंग दैट फैक्टर, एट सम पॉइंट ऑल इंडियंस, ऑल 1.6 1.7 तब तक इंडियंस विल बी एजुकेटेड एंड वेल एजुकेटेड. दे वोंट बी लाइक अनपढ़ गवार, हमें पता ही नहीं है हम कैसे फर्स्ट मतलब वो तो हमें पता है कैसे फर्स्ट पॉपुलेशन कंट्री बन चुके हैं, बट हमें नहीं पता कि हम 3rd या 4th GDP कैसे बने. तो वो जब पता चल जाता है तब पेरेंट्स वुड प्रॉबेबली डिविएट फ्रॉम यू नो कि बच्चा है, बच्चे की तरह रहने दो, कहाँ उसको फोन दे रहे हो, कहाँ उसको 6th में कोडिंग सिखा रहे हो. 6th में कोडिंग सीख के बच्चा क्या ही करेगा, तुम्हारी गेम. ओके सी द करेंट सिचुएशन इज 6th में बच्चा है, कोडिंग करता है, गेम डेवलप करता है. हमारे मम्मी पापा को कोड्स, गेम्स, इन सब के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. अब कितना ही डेवलपमेंट आ जाए टेक्नोलॉजी में, इट्स नॉट लाइक वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू नो व्हाट आवर किड इज डूइंग. सो से योर किड इज इन 6th grade, यू वुड से कि हमने तो ये इंजीनियरिंग में किया था बस. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक अरे ये कैसे. सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग वुड डिक्रीज इन माई ओपिनियन. सो लेट्स जस्ट होप एंड प्रे कि नो, लाइक at least related to education there are lesser committing suicide cases in India, because that is one very bad space to be in. Depression for students, कसम से कोई नहीं मदद करने आता तुझे. You have to realize that you are the one, you have to do what everyone is doing even though you don't want to do it, and that is sort of like a bad position to be in as a individual. Firstly, मार्क्स वार्क्स तो आते रहेंगे यार, मार्क्स का डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, बट या दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक अबाउट एजुकेशन. कोई कोट है तेरे पास?
नो. मतलब लाइक देख, ठीक है, आई फील लाइक
इन माय ओपिनियन मेरे पास एक कोट है.
ओके.
इन माय ओपिनियन
फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन द चैनल.
नहीं, पहले भी किया था, कट किया होगा हमने,
आई डोंट नो, बट
इन माय ओपिनियन ओके, लेट्स say, just do not take this out of context, neither do take it in a double meaning fashion, but say एक wall है, तुझे वहां पे you want to drill a hole. Now you know that the hole की thickness and whatnot, you know. As an Indian parent, you're the person who is going to drill the hole and put a screw on it. ठीक है, वो स्क्रू जो है वो तुम्हारा बच्चा है. अगेन डोंट टेक डबल वाइड,
मैंने कुछ बोला,
ठीक है, वो स्क्रू जो है वो तुम्हारा बच्चा है. जिसमें तुम डाल रहे हो वो लाइफ है, और जो तुम यूज कर रहे हो वो एजुकेशन है. अब तुझे पता होना चाहिए कि बच्चे की कितनी कैपेबिलिटी है टू गेट इनसाइड लाइफ और गेट आउट इनटू लाइफ, so that you put equal pressure. स्क्रू टूट भी सकता है, स्क्रू टिल्ट भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. You don't want the screw to break. That's the whole point. So don't screw your kids.
Nice.
In terms
don't
of
screw your kids.
in terms of education at least. And if you are watching and you are convinced by what we said in this episode, there is a whole playlist up there. Please go watch it. Convince your parents, your cousins to watch it too. We do curse, but we do have fun here. So with that note, thank you for watching. Peace off.
Fuck off.
I did your thing this time.